Eric Miller at M&M 2026 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I'm here with Alex from Photonic Cleaning
Technologies.
Photonic Cleaning Technologies. And they had this really fascinating red goo in their booth that they're showing off, and I was hoping that you could tell me more about it and what is it and what does it do?
Oh, definitely. Well, it's a blend of polymers and solvents that's used for cleaning and protecting optical surfaces. It goes on as a liquid, dries by solvent evaporation, and after 15 or 20 minutes, you get a dry film that when you remove it, it removes dust, debris, oils, nanoparticles down to 10 nanometers, and you're left with an atomically clean surface. The other aspect is protection, where you can let it dry, and if you're not going to be using something right away, or you're shipping to a customer or transporting to another section of your facility, you can just leave that on, and just that extra layer of protection eliminates the chance for contamination, and then when you're ready to use it, you peel it off and you're left with that pristine surface to use.
So this is mostly a good application would be like for optical lenses or other delicate glass or other surfaces that you would want to protect or clean, kind of like you would clean something with like a piece of silly putty or something like that. You stick it on there and then it grabs all of the junk on the surface of the thing and then you pull it off.
Yep.
All the junk comes off with it.
As it's a liquid, the solvents work on anything on the surface, and then the liquid polymer encapsulates all those particles, and then it just all gets lifted away when you peel it. Has very low adhesion. It's about 1/20th of Scotch tape, so it's safe on almost all coatings. And we have several specialty formulas for specific coatings and applications as well.
So hey, if people are interested in learning more about your product or contacting you, where do they find you online?
It would be photoniccleaning.com. We have a full web store, and there's a contact form through there. Or you can feel free to reach out by phone. The number is on our website, but we are more than happy to help. So if there's any questions about application or which formulas you get, just please reach out because we're more than happy to help.
So it's First Contact Polymer, right?
First Contact Polymers, made by Photonic Cleaning Technologies.
Okay, cool. Well, thanks a lot. Hey, and we've got more coming from M&M 2026. Make sure you check out Instructinate.com to get all your super cool electron microscope merch that you definitely need to buy right now. Okay, thanks. We'll see you soon.